free property management tools you can download today, plus more powerful alternatives. If you're new to property management software, you might be thinking, my profit margin is small enough. How can I justify paying for yet another thing each month? Fortunately, the truth is that there's several free property management options out there. Plus, there are many paid options that only cost a few dollars each month, but offer a feature set as good as any high-priced option. So let's talk about your options. This video is sponsored by DoorLoop, and I work at DoorLoop, therefore my opinions may be biased. First, if you're new, let's cover a few really important things. Things that will give you a much clearer idea of what the right move is for you. What should I be looking for in a free property management software? And are there disadvantages to free property management software? Let's get started. Property management software. Property management software is designed to give landlords and property managers the tools they need to manage their properties, online and on the go through their smartphones. Depending on the software, those features can include accounting, rent collection, marketing, leasing, screening, maintenance management, document storage, CRM, and more. Considerations. Every property management tool is different, but there are universal things to look for to make sure you're picking the right one for you and your portfolio. Unit capacity. How many units does the plan include? Most free and paid property management software includes a stipulation such as up to 10 units, meaning you can sign up and use that free plan only if you have 10 or fewer units. A software might offer a free plan to get customers in, but only include a few units, making it useless to many potential customers. Hidden charges. Some tools make a big deal of their free plan, but downplay or outright hide the fact that other fees apply to their free plan, such as ACH fees. These might be normal for most tools, but making it sound like your software is truly free when it's not is wrong, and you need to factor this into your cost. Reviews. What do users actually think of the software? It's easy to get drawn in by the promise of the free plan. After all, you've got no money to lose, right? Wrong. Time you spend wasting on bad software is money lost. So it's better to pick something with good reviews to start than waste your time just because you want to save a few dollars up front. Disadvantages. Typically, free software comes with one or both of these two limitations. You can only use it with a limited number of units, and you get a limited number of features. Typically, companies will use free plans to get you in the door. They're nice for those who are on a tight budget that want to try something for now while they build up profit until they can afford something bigger later. However, it's important not to think you're getting something anywhere close to a paid property management tool with that free plan. What you can get for even $50 per month is far above what free plans offer. If you need to start out with a free plan, set a goal to move up to something with a more robust set of features as soon as you can afford it. You might not realize it now, but a great property management tool will save you enough on time to pay for itself several times over. Our top picks. Now that we're done putting things into the right perspective, let's talk about the best free property management software plans. Here are the 5 best. Number 1, Stessa. Stessa offers a free plan that is actually free, so it's worth considering for that alone. Users also report the software is easy to use. The trade-off is that Stessa's feature set is just as limited as other free plans on this list. In addition, Stessa is specifically a property finance tool, not property management, so its feature set is even more limited, even if you pay up to get their premium plan. Stessa's features. Online rent payments, basic accounting tools such as expense tracking and reporting, and owner portal. Stessa Pricing. Stessa's free plan is 100% free, as well as $20 a month pro plan. Number 2, Innago. Innago offers a similarly free option compared to many of the software options on this list that doesn't particularly stand out. They have good reviews, and the users report that the software is easy to use, making them another option worth considering. Innago Features. Online rent payments, basic accounting features, some leasing tools such as tenant screening and lease management, and maintenance tools. Innago Pricing. Innago doesn't have the most transparent pricing, and their pricing page really pushes the free message. However, the plan is mostly free minus $2 per ACH payment and 2.75% on debit and credit payments, as well as criminal credit and eviction history screening costs. Number 3, Landlordy. Landlordy offers a basic free plan worth considering, if nothing more than for their convenient app. However, keep in mind that even when compared to other tools on this list, Landlordy's free plan is super restrictive and includes very few useful features. In addition to that, to get some of their more premium features, their payment plans jump quickly in price while not including many units per the price. Landlordy Features. Online rent payments, expense and rent payment records, and text sharing for invoices. Landlordy Pricing. Landlordy has a free plan with basic features, though many of its more powerful features are gated behind one of their paid plans. Their basic paid plan comes in at $14.99, though it only includes up to 2 units. Their next tier up Plus plan jumps up to $49.99, though it only includes up to 10 units. Finally, their Pro plan is $99.99 for an unlimited number of units. Number 4, TenantCloud. TenantCloud offers a sizable free plan, though its focus is mostly on property accounting features than anything. With that said, while not extensive, some of its accounting features, such as late fee reminders, are useful and user favorites. TenantCloud Features. Online rent payments, late fee reminders, vendor payments, and owner portal. TenantCloud Pricing. TenantCloud has a free plan. You can move up to their starter plan and pay $12 or $40 per month for a few additional features such as tax reports, CRM tools, and owner portal. Number 5, Avail. Avail is unique in that its free plan includes an unlimited number of units. With Avail, you can get some of the better premium features you get with other paid property management software, but the price for that upgraded plan is actually higher than what you'd typically pay. Avail Features. Online rent payments, maintenance management, and tenant screening. Avail Pricing. Avail has a free plan that includes an unlimited number of units. Your tenants need to pay for the ACH fees with that free plan, or you can move up to their Unlimited Plus plan for a hefty $7 per unit per month, which is far more than the average property management software. Are they worth it? When it comes to property management software, it's important to consider more than just the initial price tag. How much time is this or that tool going to save you each week? And what is that worth to you? How much money is this or that feature going to save you because now the job takes your office assistant half as much time? Both of these are examples of looking at things with a broader business perspective. And both of these are in all likelihood saving you much more than the choice between a free property management tool with a minimal features versus a low-cost software, $50 or so per month with a robust feature set. DoorLoop. If you want a property management tool that allows you to save both time and money with lots of features that can simplify every area of your property business, check out DoorLoop. With features like comprehensive accounting and rent collection tools, a complete suite of leasing, screening, and CRM features, full maintenance management systems that allow you to follow a work order from beginning to end, edit and add attachments, assign to a vendor, and pay out when it's complete, marketing tools such as automatic listings and custom website, and a whole lot more. Plus, you get all of that at a price that fits any budget. Schedule a free demo to see DoorLoop in action and discover how it can help simplify your property management and save time and money. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Also, check out our demo here to see what we offer with DoorLoop. Thank you, and have an amazing day.